Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should begin by ensuring the correct Python environment is active. This avoids package conflicts. Once done, open a terminal and activate the environment so Jupyter uses the right interpreter. Then launch Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. The server prints a URL and token, which you copy into your browser. You're starting the server now, so the notebook kernel will match your environment. This step prevents surprises when importing packages or running cells later. Once connected, make sure your notebook's working directory matches where the dataset resides, run OS, getcode, or path, cwd to check and use OS, chdir if needed. You can also upload the file via Jupyter's upload button, which places it in the current folder. Next, import pandas and load the dataset PD, read CSV or PD. Read Excel, specifying encoding and date parsing so types are correct. Doing this early avoids encoding errors and mistyped columns when you begin analysis. You finish by inspecting the loaded data frame. Use df, head, df, info, and df, describe, to confirm rows, types, and missing values so you know what cleaning is next. When you're done processing, save results with df, to CSV or df, to pickle to preserve work. If something goes wrong, restart the kernel and rerun cells, then check the file path, permissions, and encoding. These issues are the most common causes of load failures and are usually quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.